We're going to start off with our pasta first. All right, you must always salt your water, salty like the sea. I'm going to add in our farfalle pasta. You can use any pasta you like, but I think the bows are really cute. All right, we'll give that a little stir. Our pasta is happy in there. Pasta is on to boil. That's going to take, 8 minutes? So while that's cooking, let's get started on the salad part. We're going to start chopping some cherry tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes, you can cut them into quarters or halves, depending on the size, whatever you like. And we're going to add them into our bowl. I'm using cherry tomatoes because they're nice and sweet. I think it's nice to have bite-sized pieces in your pasta salad. So no pressure, but it is pasta pronto theme. So, you know, be quick with your chopping. I think they're all chopped. They're all chopped. All right, into the bowl they go. They can sit in there. All right, we're going to add a quarter of a red onion. And whatever you don't use, just wrap it up in some Glad wrap and pop it in the fridge. Add our onion into the bowl and give it like a little bit of a zhuzh, bit of a squeeze so that you sort of separate all the nice pieces. That already looks so cute. Adding in some baked ham that I've picked up. It's warm, you can use it cold or any temperature. It's DeZogno's 97% fat-free, so it's an easy one that you can add to anything really. Today we're going to add it to the pasta salad. Slice that up. I'm going to slice it into like little batons, so we've got nice different shapes in our pasta salad. So we'll give that some slices that way. It's all about beautiful, different shapes. It's a beautiful smoky flavour. This in as well. Next up, we're going to add some fresh parsley because you know it's nice to add a little bit of herbs. Parsley, I'm going to use my brawn chopper to chop all the parsley up for me. Use your muscles, fill it up. That took like, 3 seconds. So I add the parsley to our bowl. It's all finely chopped. God, that looks so professional. Parsley. Now we're going to add a little bit of seasoning. So we'll go in with a little bit of pepper. Okay, and some salt. And the tomatoes are going to love that salt too. All right, let's add some lemon zest. Just adds that little zingy bit of flavour, little hint of citrus. This is why I have a lemon tree. I use a lot of lemons. We'll add in some lemon juice. And so we don't get any pips falling into our salad, I'm just going to use a chucks, this little hack, where you can just pop it in, give it a squeeze. Watch this. There we go. It smells so fresh, so good. Okay, give it a little toss through. Everyone gets a bit of love and action. I'm going to add the pasta to our salad, including some of the water, because the starch will really help that all bind together, help the parsley stick to the pasta, and all make it nicely emulsify. Let's toss that all together. Having a little pasta party. That's such a nice colour. It's really cool. And then we're also going to give it just some little bit of olive oil love as well. Just on top. Oh, yeah. Okay. And the piece de la resistance for me, because I love cheese, we're using some Riverina Haloumi. So we're going to put that in a pan and add some honey to that, and that's going to be on top of our pasta. It's going to look amazing. So with the heat, we'll just coat all the halloumi. Oh, it's so good. Now, to complement that, a little bit of fresh thyme. Oh, yes, I wish you could smell this. It smells amazing. Okay, here's where the magic comes in. We're going to add the halloumi across the top with the honey. That's going to go on the pasta as well. And look, you're going to be fighting over the top of this pasta, but trust me, the whole lot of it is beautiful. Adding some more thyme on top just to make it even prettier. That's it. It's simple, easy, so tasty. Oh, this pasta. This ham halloumi pasta salad. It's a shame we have to share it, but there's plenty here for everyone. you.